great. Very informative class session, and then also the actual hands-on portion was very informative. Ryan answered all the questions we had, so great overall experience.
I like it. I think it's been very informative. It's been a lot of fun. Overcoming some challenges of using equipment and stuff, but it's good.
So far it's been great. Came in not really knowing anything about ceramic coating. My trainers, Aaron, David, Eric, have been excellent, very detailed, answer any question, very professional. I highly recommend it to anyone if you want to know more about the business, to help maybe start your business or just general knowledge of ceramic coating.